Metal roof flashing causing galvanic corrosion with adjacent materials is a huge headache for homeowners trying to keep their roofs solid and leak-free. Okay, so first off, you gotta know that when different metals touch each other, especially on a roof, they can start messing things up by causing galvanic corrosion. To avoid this, use metals that play nice together, like aluminum with aluminum or copper with copper. If you must mix metals, throw in some isolation barriers like rubber gaskets or plastic washers to keep them apart and stop the corrosion. Make sure all the flashing is installed properly, with tight seals and no gaps where water can sneak in and speed up the corrosion process. Also, regularly check your roof flashing for any signs of rust or discoloration, because catching problems early saves you a ton of money later. When replacing flashing, pick materials that are weather resistant and match the rest of your roof to keep everything working smoothly. And don't forget to keep gutters clean and drains clear, because standing water makes corrosion worse. Lastly, if you're not sure, ask a pro to inspect your roof flashing to avoid big surprises down the line. One of the main mistakes with metal roof flashing causing galvanic corrosion is mixing incompatible metals like copper and aluminum without barriers, which leads to rapid corrosion. Fix this by always using compatible metals or isolation layers. Another common issue is poor installation. Flashing that's loose or improperly sealed lets water in, speeding up corrosion. Make sure every piece is tight and sealed well. The third problem is neglecting regular roof maintenance, so small corrosion spots turn into big leaks. Schedule inspections and cleanings to catch issues early before they get expensive. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier for homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about metal roofing and flashing. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by matching them with people who really need their skills, making home projects way less stressful for everyone.